Welcome to Wilmington's vibrant new community where lifestyle meets luxury and nature meets convenience. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, growing a family, or trying to downsize, Blake Farm has something for everyone to enjoy the good life. At Blake Farm, you're not just buying a home, you're embracing the coastal Carolina lifestyle. Right now, I'm standing in front of our beautiful new amenity center that will feature an open-air pavilion, a beautiful pool, and a splash pad for your kiddos, as well as a fire pit and some pickleball courts that'll bring your neighbors together in a truly unique way. Right now, during our Great American Home Sale, you can take advantage of incredible savings on homes. Special interest rates as low as 4.99% or $15,000 to use however you'd like. We even have move-in ready homes right now so that you can start living your dream this summer. There's never been a better time to make your move. Come tour the community that everyone is talking about. Call our online sales team or come visit our model home today and let D.R. Horton welcome you home.